What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another review. And you may be wondering why I have these three cases just laid out. Well, we're going to be doing that's right, charging test review. Now we know that the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, they support this wireless charging, this reverse wireless charging feature. So this feature is activated once you go into your setting, drop down, and wireless power share is turned on. Once that's turned on, another device such as a Note 8 can lay on the back and can start to charge. So we know that they charge actual phone to phone. They're gonna charge. You just lay it down, boom, it's charging. There we go. Charging phone to phone is no issue. And they're probably going to charge if one phone has a case versus the other. But will they charge in big bulky cases? Let's test this out. Stay tuned. So here I have three of my most rugged cases. This is UAG Monarch, Armadillotek, Unicorn Beetle Pro. Three of the most rugged cases. Drop tested up to 20 feet, 10 feet, 10 feet. Okay, we got our tough cases. Now let's meet the contenders. This is Samsung Galaxy Note 8 case. Rugged case, really hard. And then I have a lighter style case by Spigen. This is also for Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I'm gonna put each one of these cases on the S10 Plus, and then I'm gonna try to charge my Note 8, and we'll see if rugged charge works with rugged charge. And we know it will probably work with this lighter case, but let's see if rugged cases have that great charging capability on the reverse wireless. First up, UAG. Here we go. UAG Monarch. Wireless power share is on. Lay it like that. Note 8. Here we go. We are charging. Wireless charging is good. Now, let's try a smaller case. This is Spigen. It's a thinner case. Wireless power share is still on. We see wireless power share is still on. So the thinner case did not work. So we saw, let's make sure that we still got it on. There we go. So power share is working, naked phone to the back of a rugged phone. But if this phone has a case on it, we're having problems. Samsung rugged case. Let's check it out. So that's a no. Wireless power share is not working case to case, but it will work case to phone. Next case we're going to try out is rugged case by Armadillotek. These cases are a rubbery edge, hard backing. We're going to just put it on and see what happens. All right, let's make sure case is on really well. Wireless power share, I'm gonna turn it off and get a fresh start with it. So wireless power share is on. I'm laying it down. All right, phone to rugged case, it works. It's a go. We got that on tape. Now we're gonna put on a thinner case. We'll use the Spigen case again. Nothing. Rugged cases are not charging the phone. Samsung rugged case. All right, no charge. Let's see. Taking the case off. There we go. You just got to get it in the right spot, but it does work. So our rugged cases are not working as well. Now, we've been through 2 rugged cases already. We still have 1 more to go. I kind of don't want to do it because I kind of know the outcome, but we got to go through with it. So let's go ahead, take it out of this case, and we're going to put it in the Unicorn Beetle Pro by Subcase. This is a rugged case, drop tested up to 20 feet. Wireless power share is still on. Let's make sure. Okay, wireless power share is there. We're gonna put the speaking case back on. Thinner case, remember. Nothing. So we already know Samsung case is gonna be a dud. Now, since we're doing this test, I do want to do 1 more. I'm gonna grab a thin case for the S10 Plus and see if we can do charging through another thinner case. So this is a thinner case. This is by Nimbus 9. This is made for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. I'm gonna slide it on. Like I said, it's a rubberized shell. Still protective. It's gonna protect the edges. It has a nice lip on it, nice raised lip, and the camera sits down in the recess, just like so. Wireless power share. We're gonna turn it back on. There we go. It is on. Lay that down, just like that. Back to back. Okay, it works. Speaking case. All right, so our thinner case is working. Thinner case looks like it is a go. It's gonna be great. Now, one more thing. If your friend has a rugged case, let's see what happens. Samsung rugged case. All right, so it seems that any rugged style case is not going to allow you to use the wireless power sharing. So the final verdict is, if you have one of these thicker cases, one of these rugged cases, one of these cases that have been drop tested for feet and many feet, you're not going to be able to wireless charge your friend's phone, your wife's phone, your cousin's phone. You're going to have a thinner case, and they're not going to be able to have a rugged case. It's going to have to be 2 thin cases put together, or either a thin case and a naked phone that are going to have to lay on top of one another. But always remember, before you do wireless power sharing, you have to go in, you have to go to your settings, and you have to enable it. Hope this has been able to help someone. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.